na proudly Pinoy fashion brands na hip and trendy for 2022 ang i-review ko today to give you online home business inspos and ideas. But first, make sure na naka-like po kayo, share and subscribe as well, and hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo on our new videos. And also, please join Madiskarte Moms PH on Facebook. Welcome back to the Madiskarte Moms PH YouTube channel. I am Mommy Vanna, and this is Vanna Reviews Season 2, powered by PLDT Home Biz, enabling our Madiskarte moms with business solutions to help you grow your biz with bigger and better a sense of fiber plans. Patapos na naman ang 2021, and as we approach 2022, I'm sure isa po kayo sa mga nagtatanong, ano kaya ang mauusong fashion trends next year? Nako, lalo na to looking forward to getting back to normal, di ba? Going back to work, going outside, exciting, di ba? Well, ano kaya ang magiging in pagdating sa fashion? Ako, one thing that I've observed, a style that never goes out of touch is going local. Support Filipino fashion brands and you're always in. Siyempre, tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin. And that's the fashion brands that I'll feature and review today. Proudly, Pinoy fashion brands from head to toe. Suwak na suwak yan na online home business. First up, we have Baro by Native Manila. The idea for Baro, honestly, is a minimalist, everyday staple Filipino clothing brand came in as an accident apparently when the owner was fabric shopping for other business, actually, Native Manila. Nung nakita niya yung beautiful fabrics and she got really inspired to make everyday clothes that really look clean, fresh. Alam mo yung parang flattering lang talaga for women of all shapes and sizes, even moms, millennials, teenagers, kahit sino talaga pwedeng magsuot ng Baro. Her textiles are locally sourced, pure linen, cotton linen, and of course cotton in black, and even ivory. With her designs and products, nako, the owner always thinks of herself as the market, which I think is really great. Her clothes should be something na talaga namang proud siyang isuot, made from high quality, local materials, beautifully crafted, at pang-international ang quality, ha? Aside from fueling her passion for fashion, nako, the owner of Baro sees this not just a business, but an opportunity also to provide livelihood for local artisans and even the tailors in Marikina, where her clothes are being crafted. What I like about her clothes is that they are custom fit. Yes, based siya talaga sa actual measurements mo. And you know what? You can even make special requests like paluwagan yung dito, diba? O make an allowance, diba? They can also create clothes based on the design peg that you want. And of course, these clothes talaga you can mix and match. Pwedeng casual, dressy to dress down, diba? At ang gusto ko dito, pang everyday. O, diba? So it's always really practical to buy this. At huwag kang mag-alala. The price range of this clothes, nako, from 300 from bralette, to 1,650 for a full dress. Oh, not bad, right? Imagine, pure linen yan, and cotton. And if you wanna see them, pay them a visit. Check out their Instagram, Baro by Native Manila. From clothes, punta naman tayo sa mga bags. We have Bayong Kultura. Alam ko, love na love nating Madiskarte Moms ang mga bags, di ba? Who cannot live without it? A noteworthy alternative are these hand-painted bags made from locally sourced materials tulad ng pandan leaves, rattan, di ba? And barrio. All these bags po are handcrafted and hand-painted by local artisans. At syempre, they collaborate with their customers as well. Tulad na lang ng meron ako ngayon. O, diba? They come up with unique and custom designs like portraits, landscapes, monograms, and pwede rin yung portrait ng inyong fur babies. O, diba? And any image na gusto ng client, they can do it. What I like about their bags, nako, they're very functional, no? Ang dami mong malalagay inside and truly one of a kind. Diba? I even have my name on it. At syempre, this talaga kung anong gusto mong design, katulad nito. O, yan, no? Meron pang pinalagay kong wife, mom, and of course, boss, lady boss. Oh, ha? Pwede rin yan. They can really do it for you. Yan ang pinakagusto ko talaga sa bayong kultura. Kung ikaw ay nagtataka kung magkano ang kanilang mga bags, nako, ang price nagre-range lang from 1,100 to 2,000 pesos. Depending yan syempre sa bag design, sa style, at sa size. You guys can check them out at their Instagram and Facebook account, Bayong Kultura. And of course, pag fashion po ang usapan, nako, hindi pwedeng mawala ang shoes. Kaya naman, we have Tapak Pinay! Alam mo ba, lahat ng footwears ng Tapak Pinay ay locally sourced materials like abaka. O, diba? All their products are 100% locally made. Affordable, matibay, and of course, very comfortable. Alam mo ba na pwede mo tong pamasok sa office? Pwede mong pang forma. Pwede mo ding eterno sa jeans, no? Pwede din pang casual to formal wear. O, diba? Nako, if you want to support local craftsmen at saka yung mga sapateros natin, then you should definitely check out Tapak Pinay. You know what? Their price, nagre-range lang talaga yan from 650 to 1,250. O, diba? Ganun lang. At syempre, nagde-depend yun sa kanyang materyales or sa kanyang design. Diba? Ay, talaga namang napaka-affordable. So, what are you waiting for? Naku, i-check out nyo na talaga ang kanilang Instagram at Facebook, Tapak Pinay. And last on our list is the accessory brand Catalog. Nagsimula sila by making polymer earrings to keep them busy, syempre, in the middle of the pandemic. Nako, all their accessories po are made of polymer clay, which is molded and then afterwards binibake. Lahat po talaga ng patterns nila ay napakagaganda, ano? Nagsimula sila sa isang pattern, tapos nadagdagan pa with all the varieties and colors and even the designs. You know what? They're expanding by creating custom designs, ano, for bangles, necklaces, and even other accessories. What I love about these cute ones, nako, ibang klase ang accessories ni Catalog. They're very attractive, they're very creative on the designs, very artsy, and of course, unlimited ang designs and options, di ba? For us customers. Nako, ang price range po nito, nagre-range lang siya from 150 to 450 pesos. Depending syempre yan sa inyong designs. So you can check them out on their Instagram. That's catalog.ph. There you have it, Madiskarte Moms, na kung sana po nagustuhan nyo ang ating proudly Pinoy fashion brands that I reviewed today. At sana din, syempre, may na-pick up kayo na online business idea or two na pwede nyo pong simulan, ano, sa inyong mga bahay. And of course, if you want a reliable partner to take your online business to the next level, nako, nandito po para suportahan tayo ang PLDT Home Biz with only fiber speeds up to 60 Mbps, no? Which includes, syempre, free backup internet, may calls to PLDT din yan, only calls to PLDT, ha? Smart, talk and text, and of course, may free access ka ba to e-commerce partner solutions? Please do check out our other videos here in Madiskarte Moms PH channels on the topics like how to start your online home business, di ba? Meron dyan how to register your online home business. And of course, meron din tayo yung mga how to take Instagrammable or Insta-worthy product photos. Nako! At syempre, maraming pa. Just click on the links below. And of course, if you have brands, and products that you want us to feature or review, just comment down below. We want to hear it from you. We appreciate your feedback, your comments, your suggestions. Kaya, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Mag-comment lang kayo dahil binabasa namin lahat yan. At kung wala ka pang online home business or gusto mong i-level up ang inyong side hustle, nako, I'm inviting you po to join us, Our mompreneur community, it's Madiskarte Moms PH on Facebook. Tulong-tulong po tayo iangat ang ating online home business. Please do like, share, and subscribe and hit nyo na din ang notification bell para updated kayo sa bagong Madiskarte Moms videos. And of course, again, this is Mommy Vanna for Vanna Reviews Season 2. Thank you, light and love!